Clogged toilet again? Tired of messy, ineffective plungers that don't work when you need them most? Blocked drains waste time, cause stress, and can turn a simple problem into a disgusting mess. Meet the high-pressure toilet plunger drain, Unblocker, pink, powerful, stylish, and built to clear tough clogs fast. Powered by high-pressure piston action, this plunger blasts through stubborn blockages. No electricity, no batteries, no chemicals. Lightweight at just 415 grams. It's easy to handle and designed for quick, effortless use, even in tight spaces. Made from durable PVC with a high-resilient sealing plug, it creates powerful airflow for faster and cleaner unclogging. The 180-degree rotating design gives you better angles and control, making every push more effective. One tool, multiple uses. Perfect for toilets, sinks, and household drains. No need for multiple unclogging tools. And yes, it looks good too. The vibrant pink design makes it easy to spot and adds a modern touch to your bathroom. Rated 4.7 stars and priced at only 120 pesos. Powerful performance without the expensive plumber bills. Why wait for another clog? Upgrade your bathroom today with a smarter, stronger solution. Click the link below to learn more and order now on Shopee. Fast, affordable, and hassle-free unclogging starts today.